Yo, 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 what's up, what's up, what's up? We're back at the Grinder's Cave. Here's your sign of Grinder. Good morning, everybody. How you doing? How you doing? Damn, did I have a long night. I played like Valheim until Exodus last night. And fortunately we already have some coffee put on the side. I'm gonna refill that in a minute, and we have a dedicated server now. But as you know, guys, before we jump in there, let's do some other stuff. But yeah, we're gonna be playing more Valheim today, everybody. I'm excited. I left the server last night to go back to bed. Then I quickly jumped on my single player to check something out, and that took another couple of hours, actually, guys. You wouldn't believe that. Fucking crazy, this game. So yeah. It's been a very, very long grind yesterday. Basically hasn't stopped. Let me just do some stuff here quickly before we get started. Bitcoin's doing a bit of a thingy here at the moment as well. 48,800 at the moment. We bounced the FIB last night at 50,500. Or just below, coming back down now. Maybe find support again at 48,100. They just bounced there a little bit, but I'm still waiting at 445.5. In the browser here, there it is. Hello, browser. Yo, Chris, thanks very much for the RT there on Twitter. I appreciate it. Thank you, my friend. And if you haven't grabbed that Gcash yet, get that Gcash from Judd. Oh damn, guys, I can't even talk. I literally just woke up. So bear with me while we wake up, everybody. Damn. Today we're gonna be listening to where we go in a minute. Okay. What's new, everybody? What's good in the hood? Tell me something. Tell me something. Good evening. Yo, Function in the house. Yo, Function, I was just saying I went back last night to the realm, to my realm, to get that pickaxe, to get the hard antlers, or whatever they are called. And then I quickly had to check something else out, and I'll show you that in a minute. That quickly took a minute or three. You remember when I said I'm gonna build a pier down on my in my single player game? Yeah, I built a pier after you left. Yeah, it took a minute or three to build that pier. Oh man, this thing over there. I'm just waking up, bro. Literally, at like fucking... yeah, well, I've been up for a while. I'm not even gonna mention the time here. You know. You know what time it is. Everybody else, it doesn't matter. It's streaming time. It's good time to stream. And yeah, Bitcoin is doing this here at the moment, guys. So let's see if they bounce here. This is where we left off yesterday. You remember? This is where everything started last night. And we're back where we started. So we created a new high here. They bounced the, I believe that's the 100 MA. And we want to be above the 100 MA actually for a good market. They have a little bit of coin now at 48 here, 48.5 and 48. Let's see what happens there. If they bounce here, that'd be nice. If they don't, we still have that buy there from yesterday. And you see, it did exactly what we said yesterday, guys. You remember when we came out from here and we said we're gonna start seeing this, and then we see a retest coming back down, and then we probably see something like this. Well, here's the comeback of that, as we got rejected up there at the 786, at least on my chart. So let's see, they gonna have to test this down here again. They are crossing over on the MA. They already crossed over up here. This is the 1 hour still. Yeah, that's the 1 hour chart. So you can see the last 3 hours in particular, the last 4 hours in particular have been super bearish. Yeah, this one here could have been like still a pullback here to reconfirm the trend line. But the last 4 hours have been very bearish. So either if they find the liquidity to break through here, this is definitely on the table again. Yeah. And since they only pulled back to up here, even our 42,225 is on the table again. Those who were watching yesterday, Matic hit a new all-time high today. I'm just saying, 22 cents for Matic today in the morning. If you were watching last night, we were at 16 cents. So hopefully you picked up a little bit. I'm still saying if Bitcoin dips here, guys, if Bitcoin does dip down here, you might be seeing Matic again at 15, 14 cents, maybe a little bit lower. Buy Matic. No, that's financial advice. Do your diligence and then decide if you want to buy Matic. Let's put it that way. Yeah, a couple of my friends have been buying Matic as well. Someone actually just sent me LTC to buy some more for him as well. I just bought 50% already. I'm gonna buy some more for him later on and then withdraw that, send it directly to his wallet. But yeah, he's been watching as well, and he told me to get it even at 20 cents. So yeah, be careful there, guys. Don't miss out on a huge possibility here or a huge opportunity. At 20 cents a coin. Come on, guys. You know what I mean? If this does $5, well, I shouldn't be saying that. I did not say $5. Let's just say, what if Matic goes up to $1, and from there develops a price momentum with everything that's coming. Yeah, just think about that, and then decide if you want to buy something. Matic is gonna be one of these tokens, guys. I'm telling you now already. Later this year, we're gonna be hearing, I should have bought more Matic while it was cheap. And I've been hearing that already, actually, because like I said yesterday, I started buying at 1.8 cents. People have already been saying I should have picked up more while it was cheap at 10 cents, 15 cents, and now obviously at 20 cents, a bit of FOMO buying there. Just wait for it to go up a little more, and then everybody goes like, oh, I should have bought more when it was cheap. People never buy when something is cheap. People always wait for it to pump, and then they buy it. Tequila. There he is. Function 5 in the house as well. How you doing? We're just looking at Bitcoin there. You see what we said yesterday? And you remember when we said yesterday we want to see this? Studio? Come up. Come higher. Retest. Go higher. Retest. And break. Up or down? For the moment, it's down. So this has played out nicely as projected yesterday. Again, guys, they already started picking this up a little bit, as they should. There isn't that much really holding us from going lower. If they're liquidating here, 48,000. There's a little bit 47.5. I'm still here, as you can see. 45. I moved it up a little bit. I don't want to lie to you guys. This used to be, you remember when I bought this when we got filled here at 45,255 the other day down here somewhere? When we first came down? No, not on the first. We did this one, then we did, yeah, no, it was, I'm getting confused with this by now. Here in this window, we've been jumping up and down so much that I got a bit confused here. We got filled there, we sold up there. We sold here again when we bounced that one. We did not rebuy last night. Yeah, that's what happened. We sold, we bought, we sold. Oh, wait. We sold, we bought, we sold. And yeah, that's basically what I had there. Now, I'm still want to get filled here again. But we have to see. They're gonna come to these. You see how they broke that trend here, guys. You in particular, studio as well, and function, because you guys are in the trading club. This is exactly what we were looking for yesterday. We were looking for them to build up here, to reconfirm the trend, to go up here, to reconfirm the trend, and this is now obviously, for temporarily at least, until they come back down to the Fibonacci here to retest the support there. It's broken. Notable up here on this chart, guys, is obviously crossover again on the 7 and 25 moving average, and the bounce at the 100 MA. The 100 moving average is obviously one of the strongest indicators. You see what happens when we're bullish. Can you see what happens when we're bullish, guys? You should see that right there. And you see exactly what happens when we're bearish. You see this topping here now. Compare that to over here to the left side. Yeah. See the wave coming up. So now projecting, what we could project here now would be something like this. You know? You see what we're doing here? Let's do that again. Bring back the MA here. Hang on. You see that? Compare this one here on the left side. We just build up here on the right side. The sell-off, in my opinion, isn't over yet. That's just my opinion. So again, we got 42,000 back on the table. We got 45,655 or 45,250 back on the table. 42,225 back on the table. And for the greedy motherfuckers, we got 38,500 back on the table. But don't beat on that, please. This over here, guys. This over here is the recent all-time high for Bitcoin when we went to 42K. Yeah. Expecting lower than that, then you're a little bit greedy. Yeah, I would not expect us to fall below this high here. Not if they pull back here. Yeah, if they come down and then they can't get out of the slammer, like, you know, around 42, between 42 and 45, then eventually we might see a dip to 37 or 38 here. In accordance with our stock to flow model we started loving so much. However, guys, for me, in my opinion, at the moment, if they wear, which isn't said that they will do, yeah, so they have strong indications here at the moment that they wanna continue liquidation. Look at this, they're going strong, but they've got 15 minutes on the hour. So either it's a bounce on the Fibonacci, a reconfirmation. This would kind of create a double bottom here, from last night's test. When they came down here last night before they went up here, coming back down here, it could be a retest, and then they could bounce and go up, or we break through. And like I said yesterday, if they start coming down heavy now, I don't even know if I want 45,655 anymore. Yeah, I want 42,225. That's a given. That's a very, very good buy price. 38.5. That's being a bit greedy. I'd probably pick up 45,655 because I'm cost averaging a riser at this price with my previous sells. But yeah, if this breaks through, we see it. If we catch it and they come down hard, I'm probably gonna cancel that and then place it above the market as a rebuy. I don't expect them to break through though. I don't know. Anyway, keep your eyes on Bitcoin, guys. Yeah, look at this. There's no coin here. Keep your eyes on Bitcoin. This might actually move back down to the 45,255, or maybe even 45,155 if they do come down, and then we might just buy that actually. It's asking a lot, guys. Me asking for 45,255 is asking a lot, but look at this. They're coming down heavy here. So let's see what happens. Hey, Chris in the house. What's up, my man? So let's see what happens. Again, guys, Matic, like I just said, somebody just sent me some money to pick up some Matic for them. I only bought 50% so far for that person because, yeah, if this comes down, Matic's gonna come down, and I don't want them to lose out on getting Matic cheaper than 20 cents. However, to prevent anything here, I had to pick up 50% already. If they bounce, if they break out and they go 25 cents, my friend's not gonna be impressed. He's watching actually. We're down to 19.5 cents now, but Matic did, and that's the thing. You have to look at Matic, guys. Matic is now moving outside. It's moving against Bitcoin. So that tells you everything you need to know about Matic. It created a new all-time high. It's $10,000 short from its last. For Bitcoin is $10,000 short, over $10,000 short from its last all-time high. Matic has created a new all-time high today. So that little bounce here on Bitcoin, actually, what we did here yesterday, this movement here was enough for Matic to go past its last all-time high. So you need to look at these things, guys. This is going very, very strong, and it's definitely not in correlation. It was in correlation here with the Bitcoin dump when we came down here. This dump started going heavy. Matic started going heavy, yeah, and up to down to 10 cents, which would be awesome if I would have caught 10 cents. But anyway, and look at this fucking parabolic movement since the Bitcoin dip, guys. I don't know. I don't know what to say. You know what I mean? Get some fucking Matic already. I don't want to hear anybody later on my Discord, guys. If anybody goes in a month's time or 2 months' time, I should have bought more Matic while it was cheap. I'm gonna bitch slap you around so hard. Honestly, I'm gonna grab you by the heart, by your face, and rub it right into your own poo. Seriously, because this, if you're not in there, guys, I don't know. So Matic. And yes, that's absolutely financial advice. I don't give a fuck. But yeah, guys, get look at this. This is so parabolic. And yeah, you don't have to buy the all-time high. Yeah. Do your TA here. Do your own TA. Look at this. Last breakout up here. Overbought. Obviously, the Bitcoin dip aided towards this dip here. Overbought at the moment. You want to definitely see what you want to see here right now. Ooh, it's already finding support here. It's hilarious. What we would like to see here, guys, is yeah, support here or here. It has already found support. No, it hasn't. So let me just switch to the 4 hour before we say some garbage here. Coming down a bit. That's gonna come down a little bit, guys. Matic, there's an opportunity for you to get into Matic, guys. When that comes down now. Hang on. Matic managers, if they manage to break through here, see this right here, this line now, this here. This is where they come down for the MA here, for the 25. Check what they do here at this support line if you want to at this trend line if you want to buy Matic. Check what's happening here right now, guys, before you jump in. If they break through, look at 16.5 cents for Matic. Yeah. If they bounce, you might want to get Matic at 18. If they break through there, 16.5. 18 to 16.5 cents. So 16.5 to 18 cents. That would be probably something you can see, depending on what happens over here. If this goes heavy, if this was to go heavy, but you see, it even if we dip back here, where Bitcoin had this low there, his most recent low, they are gone beyond that already. So even if Bitcoin hits the low, Matic might just stop at 16.5 cents here because they recovered more than Bitcoin has. They have recovered a lot more and a lot faster. So let's see what happens there. Oh yeah, right. Function had to fight for his spot last night. That was so hilarious. He found a very nice spot. Should we move over to the game? Everything here. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, hang on. I can't move to the game just now. 1 second. There we go. There we go. Speaking about the devil, look at this. Should I mention that I sold Matic? I sold at 19. So I literally sold some early on around here. I didn't sell much. I sold like, I don't know, $100 worth or whatever. Because if I get a free $20 out of that just for being online and mocking around, I take it. If I get 20% out of a quick Matic dip. But yeah, only $20. No, $100 worth I sold. So that's not that much. Let's see. 1 second. Organizing work for the weekend as well. That's good hour to work. But it's Saturday and Sunday. Monopoly money. I'm getting free Monopoly money for crypto, so I can sell it for crypto. I'm getting free money this weekend. Hell yeah! Just for carrying around some plates and being nice to people. The nice part is gonna be difficult, but oh yeah, it's been very, very cool. I'm gonna jump on there just in a second now. Let me just see this here, guys, and then we jump on the game. Here comes the retest of the Fibonacci, and this is actually where we have 300 and something coins sitting. 48,000 right there, right now. $26 million. If they want to go through here, they have to sell, and then they're meeting some resistance. So they might be bouncing here, and then we see what happens. Getting time for Monopoly money for BTC. That's basically what I do when I go to work. Yeah. I work, and then put as much of that money as I can. Well, it's coming to the end of the month, so preferably this week and next weekend, I'm gonna do enough hours to just pay the rent with it, so we don't have to dip into the crypto, because some of the coins are down a little bit as well. Bitcoin is obviously $10,000 down as well. So selling Bitcoin, I did that last month for the rent and everything, because I've been at home for 2 months, so I had to sell some again, like last year in spring, motherfuckers, and yeah, obviously we were at 38. Where were we? Last year? Last month? Wait. Yeah, we were somewhere at stupid 42,000 before Tesla balked. And obviously that pissed me off, because afterwards we went to 58,000. So I basically, in 1 month, I paid 2 months rent in terms of Bitcoin. But that's nothing we can't make back, right? So that's what it is. This laptop over there is pissing me off at the moment, seriously. Let me just check some. Change the microphone volume with the key. I'm getting old, I can't read this shit anymore, guys. Volume up, volume down with the FN keys. What? Fucking hell. 6. Light down, light up. Volume down, volume up. What the heck? Fucking old. What the heck? I think I finally broke that mouse. It's done. It's done. It's a rip, though, guys. This fucking mouse, it's a rip. And I don't know, the touchpad ain't working for some obscure reason. I don't know. Fucking hardware. Always something. Let's do this. Whoring yourself for euros. No, I whore myself for Bitcoin, man. I'm only whoring. I only whore for Bitcoin, bro. But yeah, you need that monopoly shit to buy more Bitcoin, so that's okay. And like I said, we see how you doing, bro. Like I said, if I don't have to sell Bitcoin or any other crypto to pay my rent, that's always good. You know what I mean? By the way, guys, thank you very much, all of you, every individual one of you, for being such great supporters. Because speaking of Monopoly money, I just withdrew last night another $50 from Trovo, and that's obviously going right back into crypto as well. So everybody, thanks very much for your continued support. Thanks for supporting the stream. Thanks for your donation, your subscriptions. Thanks for being here. Thanks for your watch hours. Thanks for, well, let's stop being nice or overly nice. Thank you for your support, guys. I love you. And now they did it again. You fucking stupid laptop, you. Oh, guys. Oh, it's not happening today. I'm gonna get some mate. I'm gonna throw that thing out the window if it keeps. Now I have to plug. I'm not even gonna go there. What's Bitcoin doing there? Bitcoin's gonna. No, they haven't yet. I was just gonna say they just broke that thing while I was sorting out my mouse. There we go. Why is that not refreshing over there? I have the Restream chat open, and the Restream chat still shows me something preparing set like a week ago. Let me just see if that works. Pouring around. Yeah, that's weird. There's none of the chat again on Restream. Everything you just said, guys, because I'm watching Restream chat over there, and everything you guys said, fortunately I have both chats open. I learned from my mistake last time when I thought nobody was talking to me, and until you guys had to ping me on Discord to tell me that that the chat ain't working. Let's see. Somebody say something on so I can see it on Restream. There we go. Yo, there we go. Right. The thing here, I ordered a mouse a couple of weeks ago. You remember that? I paid $45 for a new mouse. It never fucking came. So I was waiting for the replacement. Don't you guys remember when I said I bought the mouse? And it didn't come? Yeah, there you go, the mouse didn't come. It is quality kit, bro, but after I don't know how many years, my speakers with the subwoofer, they're Logitech as well, they're like 20 years old. They still work, they work fine. You guys have to know, in Spain, when you order something or when you're waiting for parcels, yeah, in particular when electronics, it's like, yeah, that's like playing lottery almost. It will arrive or will not arrive, yeah. You know how many parcels Mama Grinder has sent over the years from Germany that never made it here? And once, a friend of mine works for an insurance company in Germany, and they have a deal with Acer, yeah. And about 2 years ago, I wanted a new laptop, and I could get an $1,100 a laptop through that insurance company for like $750 or whatever. Paddle never breaks. I ordered that laptop, he sent it to me, and when it came it had a hardware issue. It would constantly crash, so I tried to fix it myself. Then I saw that it's like one of these molded cases, so if you open it, you lose the warranty. So I sent it back to Germany for the first time, and also Spanish Post with insurance or with registered mail isn't cheap. So I sent that laptop back for the first time. Cost me 56 euros to send it back to Germany because I didn't want to touch it. I didn't want to lose a warranty on a brand new computer laptop. Then they sent it to Acer. Then Acer sent it back, stating there was nothing wrong with it. And then they sent it back to me again from Germany, and I got it back, and it was the same as before. So I sent it back to Germany again. Cost me 56 euros again, and the fucker never arrived. So that was like 900 euros for nothing at that time. And it never got traced up, and we never got the insurance payment from the Spanish mail because the second time I sent it, I didn't send it registered mail. Go figure. Anyway, over here, sometimes when you order stuff, the most secure thing is actually Amazon, I believe. Amazon and stuff like this, you're most likely to get anything that's not really registered, traced. Same even if you, if Mama Grinder sends stuff from Germany, yeah, with DPD or whatever, Deutsche Paketdienst. If she sends that over, the tracing literally ends when the stuff is handed over to Spanish mail. It goes like, has arrived at the destination country, and then has arrived at the distribution center in Malaga, And then once it's in like distribution center in Malaga, it's just like end of online tracking, even once it's delivered. It's hilarious. So yeah, that's what it is. Let me just see something here again. Dudes. Oh, this could be the beginning of something beautiful here. If they eat through now, right now, if they eat through this could be the beginning of something very beautiful. And then I have to take out this order. Come on, baby. Come on, baby, light my fire. Come on, it's only $15 million. Visik, press that sell button. Yeah, I'm special like that, Visik. I come to Spain, man. Once you come to Spain, you said you're gonna move to Spain, right? Once you come to Spain, we see about the parcel shit. Last year I sent something to Mama Grinder for her birthday. Very, very Andalus. Very, there we go. Come on. Visik, press that sell button again. There we go. 300 coins. 292. 289. Come on. Press it again. You know what? Speaking of Portugal, my friend. Mama Grinder, several years ago, she sent a parcel for Easter. And at that time, I was fed up with losing parcels. So I told her, listen, you know what? Don't send it to me. Send it to Gibraltar. Send it to the other 253 coins. They're doing it. Let's do this. Ooh. Here they come. 250 coins. And I said to my mom, send it to Gibraltar, mom. To the address of a friend I was working with. They had an office down there. And I pick it up there when I'm at the office, and we don't have to worry about the Spanish mail. 6 weeks later, the fucker was still not there, so I started tracing it. Yeah, and I called Deutsche DPD. Was it DPD? I think it was DPD at that point. It wasn't there, and they were like, "Well, in our system, it's telling me it has arrived at the destinations country and has been handed over to the local mail service or postal service 2 weeks ago." But the thing it is, once we hand parcels over to the Portuguese mail service, the tracking ends there. And I was like, what do you mean the Portuguese mail service? I'm in fucking Gibraltar. It's a completely different country. And they literally managed to send the parcel. It was in Portugal and not in fucking Gibraltar. So how can you get the fucking country mixed up, man? I kid you not. It's a true story. 3 days later, it was in Gibraltar. And obviously there was food and stuff in there. That wasn't that great anymore. The chocolate and all that was nice, but the Weisswurst and some other stuff wasn't really that nice anymore. It was like Portugal. I said to the girl at the woman at DPT, it was like, I can understand that Portugal is almost spelled the same as Gibraltar. I can understand the mistake here. So that was hilarious. Yeah, but that's the thing. That's the thing with the subcontractors in VSeek. We use courier service as well. We have Deutsche, no, not Deutsche Pakete. It's not Deutsche. We have the one DPD, Deutsche Paketdienst. I think is the one with I don't know. There's one private courier and there's the national one. The thing is, what they do is DPD doesn't deliver to Spain. DPD then obviously has subcontractors again in Spain. So they deliver to Spain, then they hand over to a distribution center in Spain, which then is the courier is called SUR. SUR doesn't really meet the standards of DPD, you know what I mean? And blah, blah, blah. So they're between subcontractors and delivery drivers and all that stuff. That's where that stuff happens. DHL. Yeah, the DHL is probably Deutsche... DHL is the Deutsche, yeah, the DHL is the official German one, I think. DPD is better, I think. UPS, FedEx, too expensive, I think, in Germany. That's why my mom can send me a parcel with DPD. And I think once you reach 24 euros for the parcel, it's a certain size, it goes up to 30 kilos. You can send for 25 kilos, something like that, for 25 euros. And that's why I always get the big parcel filled up with loads of stuff to the rim. Because it doesn't matter if she sends me half the size or twice the size, it costs her the same money. But unfortunately, those packet, they're like drop shops. So there is like a guy in my hometown, he has like, I don't know, secondhand stuff and other stuff. And he also has the drop shop for DPD, where the delivery drivers come and pick up stuff. Guess what? COVID. So he's not allowed to open at the moment. So Mama Grinder with DPD can't send anything. because the drop shop in my village or in my hometown in Germany is closed because of COVID. So it's all a bit stupid. Nah, guys, I'm getting a new mouse. The thing is, I'm not leaving the village. I'm not leaving the town. I'm a lazy fucker buying stuff online. If I had a normal life at the moment, I'd be more down by the coast or whatever. I would have bought a mouse long ago. I would just walk into Media Markt and buy two or whatever. You know what I mean? Let's see what they happen. The 260. They took 150 coins off that, so I don't think they're done here. Well, we got our buy orders in there. I'm not buying up here anyway. So it doesn't matter really what happens here. The only thing that matters really is this here. Because, yeah, I might want to pick up some more here. Right. Anyway, I'm gonna start the game. I'm itching to play again. A corporation is buying, they're averaging. Yeah, they can all average in everything what they want, Vizik. For MicroStrategy having picked up another $1 billion and all the other news of the last 2 days, this is not a bullish movement. This is not a bullish movement. For everything, all the news from the last 2 days, this is far from bullish, and we just looked at this here. If you compare this one here, if we compare this one, let's look at this, and you know as well, we are way above the stock to flow model. Let's compare the 100 MA here, yeah? Let's look at the 100 MA, bro. You see what we've done over here before we even started bouncing back? Look at this, we're far from it. Same here on the 1 hour. This isn't over yet. Look at this. You see what we've done here when we started coming down over here at the 42K? We're far from done, my friend. We are still below the 100 MA. They literally bounced this. We're staying below the 100 MA, and you know what happens when we're below the 100 MA. This is so obvious. This is so obvious. It's right in my face here. Boom. It's right there. This is what we're gonna see. At least more. Let them all cost average they want. We're not done here. I don't think we're done. And if they bounce here, that's fair enough. But this has already broken the trends, Visik. This has broken all the trends, all the momentum they've gained from yesterday. This is that they're here. Look at this. The one, it's gone. It's gone. Here we go. Here we go. It's done. Done deal. I said that the last 2 days already. These bounces here, guys. Visik, these bounces, they have been way too strong. You don't go down 17% to bounce 15% to dip 15%. This is garbage. This is garbage. This is the market, average Joe and everybody else trying to hype. Well, now we dipped. Let's go back to 58K. We've dipped. Let's go back to 58K. No, fuck. We haven't even dipped closely enough to start a market recovery. And I'm telling you guys, I said that last week already. You don't have to think that they're buying at 45K. They're not buying at 45K. Not with a stock to flow that's giving us 33,000 of Bitcoin value. If they buy at 30, they buy 45, they buy 38, but they're not buying $55,000 worth of Bitcoin or Bitcoin at $55,000. They're not gonna do that. You know, they're not Joe and Bob and Anna and you know what I mean. So the debate fast becomes in the next 3 months: are we in a super cycle? Next 3 months? I don't know, bro. Yeah, so far, you know, we see. You remember when the Tesla news popped? That Tesla has bought 1.8 billion. This is what happened over here on the left side. This is what happened. Yesterday, the news popped that MicroStrategy bought another $1 billion. Nothing has happened. You know what I mean? It's already, the market has to breathe. We are burnt out. It doesn't matter if the next news comes in that somebody bought $2 billion. it all comes back down to the same thing always, guys. The majority of trading is professional automated trading and brokerages trading, and when they are entering a profit take, they're entering the profit take. No Michael Saylor, no Tesla, nobody. If they start liquidating $5 billion, they start liquidating $5 billion. You know what I mean, guys? And nobody's gonna change that. And if we look at the chart patterns, it all comes down at the end of the day, guys. It always comes down to one thing: our indicators on the chart. There is nothing else. The cascade of the herd because of all the money. Yeah, what? Are we in a super cycle? We're absolutely in a super cycle. There is no question out of beyond that. And I think we are still very far to go before we've seen an all-time high or the end of the bull market. I was a little bit worried here when we started coming down because this coincided with the end of the bull market from 2017. Yeah, it literally overlapped by a couple of days. And when we saw the sell-off in 2017, this wouldn't stop. Obviously, we can see here that this has broken now. And I'm still positive that we're going to be staying above $35,000. Even if we dip to 25 or whatever, eventually I think the new market value for Bitcoin is going to be the low. Very rarely or never we really dropped below the last all-time high. So our recorded all-time high, in my opinion, is $48,000. Yeah. This is where I would like to see us eventually, yeah, or above there once the market has calmed down and everything. Stock to flow, we see, that puts us at 33, 35, but puts us at 44 by May. So that's only 3 months away or 2-3 months away. So personally, I need this level at the moment. Is this channel here in the center. That's a channel I'd like to see actually become a traction. 45 to 50,000, somewhere in there. That's why I could see us moving with Bitcoin. So we're in a super cycle. We're every 4 years in a super cycle. You know that as well. The super cycle is definitely there. The super cycle is very different to previous cycles with the institutional interest right now and them pouring billions into Bitcoin. Again, 21 million coins. That doesn't change. That doesn't change today and not ever. So with every $1 billion taken out of circulation, eventually the price is gonna soar. You know what I mean? But right now, I'm pretty sure we're still in the liquidation phase. And if you look at the charts of other traders, don't look just on my charts, guys. Other traders recently post their charts with their liquidation goal targets and all that stuff. You just bought today. What did you buy today? Bitcoin? Why did you not buy Bitcoin yesterday, Tomo? Why did you not buy Bitcoin when we were down here yesterday already? Why did you buy up there? Hodl? For Bitcoin? If you just balked, I don't know at what price you balked and how much you're willing to lose. It's difficult to say. They just ate $30 million. Well, I think it was. You should know what you're buying. You should know what you're buying, bro. Right now, I still have the buy orders open we had in here from the last couple of days. So I'm still looking to buy Bitcoin at 45,655, which I might revise actually right now if they break through there and pull it down to $400 or whatever. This is definitely a break downwards here. Yeah, this one just broke downwards. They just started the new hour, guys. So I'm thinking we're definitely coming back down here. And like I said, if we compare this one with the 100 MA over here from 48,000, from the 48,000, you see where we at here? These dots, this tip. This is the tip of the iceberg. This is the beginning, not the end. You know, what we need to see here is these dots going up, and we definitely got rejected at the 100 MA here. That's obvious. So this is a very, very clear rejection on the 100 MA, and us being below the 100 MA, there's only one thing that happens to BTC when we're below the 100 MA, and this is this. So taking this as a benchmark here on the left, and looking at this over here, I'm definitely going to get my buy. And I'm definitely going to get my 42,250 here. If not today, then I get it in a couple of days. But look at this. And even if they make this turn here, you see this turn? This turn here? They're not even close to making this turn here. They have to build support. Bitcoin, to speak about the trend change, Bitcoin has to build support above this level. We have to stay above that level. And that level, it's way too close to the most recent all-time high to develop anything from that. You know what I mean? There is no room here to develop anything. There isn't even room to consolidation because that's right below the all-time high. So coming back down here or moving sideways here, that's what they could do as well, guys. They could obviously always consolidate to bring the indicators down. Remember, we're still overbought. Remember how we lit this channel yesterday? Let them go up and down here. But for me, sell and count your losses. I don't know. How about buy some more a little bit lower and cost average your buys? I can't tell you what to do really with your money, or hodl. There we go. There is always time to buy more. Cost averaging is always the magic word. If you just bought today, I don't know where you bought, Tomo. Yesterday when I was streaming, and we bounced down here. Yesterday when I was streaming, we were down here. And when that happened, I told you guys this was the test and this was the breakout. No, down here actually. This was the test. Then we had the breakout over here. Yeah. You can't buy on the tops there. So, Tomo, you have to join my trading club, man. You have to join my trading club. One rule of thumb with Bitcoin: you don't buy high and sell low. Yeah, there is no counting losses, really. You can do that. I don't know what price you bought at. You know, I bought yesterday at 40k euros, so 48k US. You need to know what price you bought at, bro. 48k US. So if you're at 48k US and it's at 47.7 right now, that's $300. That's less than 0.5% so much. I wouldn't worry there. You know what I mean? Even if you have to look at it in percentages. There's a tool here on the trading chart thing, this here, that gives you percentages. Yeah. You have to work in percentage because if you look at the dollar value of Bitcoin at the moment, Tomo, if you look at the dollar value, you go insane. You go like, oh, 47. No, it's 48, 49, 52. You have to think in percentages. Yeah. Right now, we dipped already 6.59%. You might have lost now from 41 to whatever, 0.5%, 0.5%. I can't tell you how far they go down. You see, selling here, Tomo, the problem is if you sell here right now, you put yourself in a difficult spot. Yeah. If you bought at 48k, let's say 48k US, yeah, this is a Fibonacci support here. They might be bouncing here. They might be breaking down and immediately pick up. If you haven't sold up here, if you did not sell here, yeah, or here, or maybe another, yeah, this right now it's a shitty spot to sell, bro. Because they might bounce here, and then all of a sudden you sit there. Shit, I shouldn't have sold. You rebuy $100 more expensive, then you sell again $200 cheaper, then you rebuy $300 more expensive, and all of a sudden, eventually you catch the right buy, and it goes up $1,500. But you wagered away $1,500 by buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling. They're going green here. You need to pay. You need on the charts. You have to hit the dips if you want to sell. You can't sell into a dip. You know what I mean? It's selling into a running dip. It's always it puts you into very, very difficult decision making things. You know what I mean? It puts you into different very difficult situations. Yeah, that's the thing. Function is saying that, Tomo, as well. You're not really a trader, Tomo. You know what I mean? So for you, Bitcoin. Like I always say, cost averaging. If you just bought some Bitcoin right now and it goes lower than your purchase price, then you need to note that down. You need to note down your purchase price. Yeah, let's say $48,000, just to have that as a fixed example. Let's say you bought $100 at $48,000, then you note that down. $100, 48k. Yeah. Let's say we dip down to 45,520. What I'm waiting for, kinda. You pick up another 50. Or another 100 for 45,520. Now and then you cost average between 48,000 and 45,500. Puts you effectively at 46,500 or whatever as your purchase price. Yeah. You only sell Bitcoin when you get more for it, really, bro. And if that puts you in a spot, Tomo, like I keep saying to everybody as well, nobody I know who has ever bought, or nobody actually, who has ever bought Bitcoin and held it for more than 4 years has ever lost $1. Yeah, so if you're buying now at a bad spot, you're gonna hodl. You bought at 46. Yeah, you just hold that, man. Yeah, no, chill. I just wanna say that because I hate when people lose money, Tomo, and I want you to get in on the right foot as well. Even if you ever buy something at the wrong moment, bro. Unless it's a shitcoin. Yeah, eventually you have to let them go. If you buy Bitcoin at a bad moment, let's say you bought at 58K. Yeah, I mean, look at the people, for example, 2017, people bought at $18,000. Yeah, and that was one of the few times in my life where I told people, please do not buy Bitcoin. Or it was actually the first time in my life where I told people, please do not buy Bitcoin at $18,000. Some people did anyway. And look at that. That was 2018. Now it's 2021, and we're at 48,140. So even those people doubled down on their money. They could have done a lot better for themselves, yeah, but they had to buy the hype. And some of them sold on the way down, somewhere between $3,500 and $5,000 per Bitcoin. But those who had strong hands and sat it out, yeah, even they doubled down after 4 years. I saw the chart. Yeah, the chart. Yeah, don't get scared with the chart because we have all kinds of different charts. Look at this. We have 15 minutes. We have 15-minute chart. 15-minute charts looks like the end of Bitcoin. You know what I mean? Look at this. It's the reckoning. To note here, guys, you see this now on the Fibonacci. They bounced. They broke through a little bit, but for now, they again, same as yesterday, they're trying to catch support here on the Fibonacci channel. Yeah. So Tomo, this might just be bouncing here, and we see another upwards movement here. However, they just consumed a lot of coin to get right here, so I'd be careful. They consumed quite a bit. They sold into the market, and there isn't much on this side of the order book. Neither is there on the other side at the moment. But as we know, guys, this side doesn't need to see a lot of coins if the market is liquidating, because then they're obviously selling into this side. They're not putting their orders up here if they want to sell down here. However, this is bouncing for the moment. So anybody looking to get into a margin trade, leverage trade or whatever, this might be the moment where you want to go long here. If that breaks downwards below the next whatever coins is there on the book, below 46,900. So yeah, you see, and that's we're entering areas where you can't really talk in thousands anymore, guys. Because me telling you here now, if you would have gotten in at 47.8 into a long here or 47.6 now, you could probably be sitting on a very, very nice long now, yeah, for your Bitcoin trade. But it would have put your stop loss just below 46.8 or 46.5. Yeah. Here, however, already, now we're at 48.1. At 48.1, if you get into this trade, you still need to put a stop loss of 46.5 in there. So now here, this is already giving you a lot more headache instead of getting into a trade down here. However, like I said, since they just consumed $40 million to get down here, I'm still gonna wait for my buy order here. And if that doesn't get filled, guys, that's all good, because this is I always have some dollar on the exchange. You know what I mean? Eventually, I'm gonna get my buys. I'm gonna get them now. I'm gonna get them in a week. I'm gonna get them in 4 weeks. I'm gonna get these buys eventually. And if that doesn't start growing proper upwards traction, yeah. This trade might actually drop from the order book, and I wait for this and I wait for the 38. So I'm patient because, well, I'm in a good position. I have Bitcoin on one side, and I have now a little dollar from realized profits, obviously, from realized gains. I have dollars sitting on the exchange as well. For me, it works all the same. There's no point of me jumping into here to buy back whatever I sold up here. Yeah, I flipped that once already. I sold up here. I bought down here, if you remember, this week. Then we sold up here, yeah, which was like 15%. That's fine. This one we didn't buy last night, so we didn't sell this one up here. So if we come back down here, I'm still in a very good spot. And that's what it's all about. Much more interesting this here, guys. And there it comes. They're dipping as well, so keep Tomo, if you want to buy anything, Matic. If they come back down, if Bitcoin dips, guys, if Bitcoin dips down here or below, if you can get Matic here, 15 cents, yeah, 12 cents, 15 cents, don't buy the tops, guys, don't buy 22 cents right now or whatever, yeah, 17 cents, because that's a lot of money. You think like, oh, it's only 3 cents. Do the math. The difference, how many percent between 20 cents and 17 cents? Because it's a lot. If you buy 10,000 coins for 19 cents and you sell 10,000 coins for 18 cents, That's a lot of money. 1 cent. It adds up, guys. So Matic here, if they come down and find support, they just found support here. They kind of bounced this one, the last high here. Matic for me again, if they come back to the 786, 16 cents, I buy, 12 cents, I buy, and 2 cents, I buy as much as I can. Yeah, Matic, Tomo, Matic is for me, but don't FOMO into it right now, yeah? But Matic for me is my pick for 2021. Matic is a coin I'm accumulating since 1.8 cents now. I'm cost averaging 5.6 cents on Matic now with my purchases. I bought Matic at 1.8, I bought Matic at 10, I bought Matic at 15, and I sold some a little bit today at 19 cents. Yeah. However, I want to buy that back. And Matic for me is something I'm looking to hold easily until the end of the year. Yeah, the end of the summer definite, and then the end of the year. For me, this one at the moment, there's a lot of companies migrating away from the Ethereum blockchain to the Matic network because Ethereum for blockchain gaming, for NFT art, for lower value NFT assets, it's broken. No game developer, Ubisoft is not going to tell you, sorry, you can't play our games because the in-game economy is based on Ethereum, and if you want to move your magic sword from Cybergrinder to Toma, that's going to cost you $11,000. That's going to cost you $38 or whatever. That doesn't work. That doesn't work. I'm sitting on assets, game assets, man. They're worth thousands of dollars, and not individually, but combined. And I can't even sell any of them for a $5 or whatever because the transaction is going to be $35. So Matic is the second layer for Ethereum, and Matic is a lot of projects are already migrating over. And I don't know if you know OpenSea, the largest decentralized marketplace for NFT tokens. OpenSea is going to introduce Matic trading, yeah, in the next couple of weeks. Marble cards, where you can marble websites, is already on Matic. War Riders is migrating to Matic. Other projects are looking at Matic. Neon District already has a second layer on Matic network. So a lot of people who initially developed their games or whatever, or their projects on the Ethereum network, now realizing that scalability is a bit of a problem with Ethereum, in particular in terms of transaction fees. And therefore migrating their game assets and everything else, their tech, over to Matic. Like I said, they're already gone up so much, but if Matic really pops, if Matic gains more attraction, if Matic pops on the marketplace here, the NFT marketplace, yeah, I don't want to reach too high. I do have a goal for Matic, but I don't want to really give you that number, guys. Let's say I'm looking at Matic, to sell Matic well above $1. That's what I'm looking at. Yeah. But like I said, I started purchasing. I have quite a few Matic now, guys. I started purchasing at 1.2 cents, so I'm like 15 cents ahead of the market at the moment with my cost averaging. 25. Well, I'm 75% ahead. So basically, 560 to 18 cents. I don't really have to worry anymore about my Matic investment. I can still sell it at $6 and walk away and still made a little bit of money if things go wrong. However, if this pumps, guys, if this breaks and finds traction, have a good stream. You got to work early tomorrow. That's great. And thanks for coming down, bro. Never worry about your Bitcoin holding. Never worry about your Bitcoin if you're really looking for your own future, man. If you look out, before you go, 2025. That's the plan, at least. And if you do 2025, I promise you, Tomo, you're gonna come out ahead. I promise. So don't worry. Next time we dip a little bit more on Bitcoin, pick up some more. Yeah, you have to. You have to look out for your future when you get older. You're still a little bit younger than I am, man. And like I keep saying, Bitcoin has saved my life a couple of times, Tomo. If you really start believing in Bitcoin and you never leave yourself out, you never sell everything, you're always gonna bounce. You peace as well. You have a good night. I'm working the weekend, so I try to pop into your streams. And thanks for coming in. And if you have any question, Tomos, you're always welcome on my Discord, on the G4 Discord, everywhere. Just ask me, man, before you make a mistake, or if you're unsure or whatever, if you want an opinion, you're always welcome to ask. Okay, guys, let's get into the gaming aspect. This is getting boring. Look at this, they bounced. I'm not getting my boys, motherfuckers. Nobody loves me. I'm not getting no cheap Bitcoin no more. When $6? Of course, thanks, man. I appreciate you. I appreciate everything you do as well. Also, everything you do for the crew, man. For the squads. You're awesome, Tomo. I'm glad we've met, man. Get some rest, and we speak soon, man. And I'm gonna go over here, and I'm gonna start up the game thing because I want to play with Ram, and I want to play. It's late already, and like an old man would come or not. I always come. I come early. You see, that's the thing. That shitter over there doesn't scroll. Yeah, nah. So I love all these chatters. I love Tomo. Tomo is getting into crypto here a little bit more. That's really cool, guys. So Ram doesn't want to play today. That's okay. I'll play on my own. I wait for Function to call in sick at work. Appreciate you. I appreciate you guys as well. National postal networks are the worst, anyway. Just scrolling up, see what I missed in the chat, as usual. And my coffee is cold. Why is my coffee cold? Did we not just make coffee earlier? That's cold. Ah. What are we having for dinner, guys? It's midnight. We need a midnight snack soon. It's pizza or baguette. Pizza or sandwiches tonight. I think it's gonna be the pizza. So let's see if I can connect to the server though. Or if it's been modded already. You ordered a burger. Oh, I could do a burger right now. I think I can't even order anything. I got up so late again, I couldn't get any cigarettes. I have like 3 cigarettes for tonight. It's ridiculous. It's like 8 o'clock at night. It's not late in fucking Spain. It was 7 o'clock when I went out there. But anyway. Let's see if I can get on the on. Nah, I'm gonna show you my stuff first before we go on to the dedicated server. Because yeah, after I left the dedicated server last night, I had to do something quick on my realm, and I show you. Mina do dee do Mina what? What's up, studio? Right, so here's me. They have arrived. Yeah, I want to show you this place. Well, it's fucking raining again. Oh man, am I hungry? No, not yet. Right, I built this because I was bored. There's still some water in here. I have to fix that. I have to build a dam outside. This was on my own realm, if you remember. So last night when I came here to get the pickaxe, because we didn't have a pickaxe on the new server yet, and I had this completed here already, I quickly built this. I told you I'm gonna build a pier. So I built a pier last night. Or this morning, or this afternoon, whatever. There it is. And yeah. Just saying. I don't know if I want to have these roofs also going around the front. I couldn't make up my mind. But as you can see, it helps with the wittering of... you can see that? This wood doesn't go bad. The walls don't go bad as quickly anymore. So function, if you're watching, this is exactly what we said. The walls are better if you have an overlapping roof. Which makes sense. You know what I mean? So I tested that here and it's confirmed. Look at this. These thingies here, they're still intact, and all this shit is rotting away. I'm probably gonna break through there now and drown. But yeah. Where's the pool? The pool is right there. Where's the pool? What do you mean, where's the pool? Now I'm wet. Now I'm wet because of you, man. Said no girl ever. And I figured out the stairs, guys. Check this out. You remember? Hell yeah. And that's the chimney is right behind here, basically. So we do rest here. We have the chimney. And it does work even... So we're learning the game still, guys. But even the chimney being down here, almost two wall segments away, or 3 wall segments actually, it's still doing its thing here. I'll be right back. Thanks for the Mania Studio, I appreciate you. Did I miss anything else? Oh, let me just see. YouTube, Mena. I'm not gonna bring up the YouTube right now. What did you say? Running in Sandbox? Oh, and dixper skills, guys, obviously. You have to tell me that, guys. It's a new thing. And sometimes I just forget. Please. Remind me. You're buying the skills, and then I don't start dixper. So let's start dixper as well. I put on the oven for the pizza. The baguette ain't happening because apparently I didn't get any groceries today, so no ham, no cheese. And why is this saying sandbox? Running in sandbox up there? What the heck? Top of my screen, the green shit? What do you mean running in sandbox? And there's a hole in the wall up there? That's unacceptable. I mean, there's more holes. But these ones, they're kind of cool. They look cool from the outside. So yeah, that's basically what I built. Look at this, guys. Fucking hell. Look at this. Ain't that cool? Now, this was my run. And you know what's the coolest thing as well? You know, guys, when we talked yesterday yeah, how this isn't really built for PvP, because anybody who joins your session or your server or whatever can literally walk into your base. So it's more like a PvE focused game in my opinion. PvP is gonna be difficult to enforce because yeah, you can just walk into everywhere and empty the chests and all stuff. You don't have to break down walls or whatever. Everything's open, right? But then I was thinking, even if there was PvP or PvP develops in the game, like, you know, people coming onto a public server, just raid your shit and then log off. One cool thing about this game is obviously that you can, whatever you have in your inventory, when you switch servers, you take that with you. Yeah, that's global. So what you can literally do is, if we have a public server now for the cave, for our community, if you find very rare stuff or whatever, yeah, or like the gold coins and all that stuff, yeah. Well, by the end of the day or whatever, or in between, whenever you feel like it, you just log onto your own realm. You go to your chest. You drop your valuables in there, and you go back to the server. And nobody's ever gonna loot this because this is like your single player session. You know what I mean? Yeah, all public servers have passwords. They might have, but it's still, yeah, that's to prevent it, obviously, I suppose, for people from the looting. It's really more PvE focused, in my opinion. But what we said yesterday, and then I thought of it for a run, and I was like, well, nobody can really loot your shit. All you do is you log into your own ROM, you dump your stuff. Look at this. This is turning into a proper storage here, guys. Look at this. I got like 150 wood here. I got like 200 rocks here, and I got more in there. So this is gonna turn into something big. This is my my single player or my local session we've been playing, but this is turning into something as well here. And here I put a roof over there, and since then that doesn't wither anymore. You see, I was constantly fixing this. So it really, and this one I extended today in the morning as well. I can't stop, guys. I extended that quickly as well, and before we go to the other room, yeah, let's do this. You see. Get me some honey. I have another bee actually for the other round, if we want to take that over. But the most important thing I want to take with me here is, that's why I came here actually. Maybe I should take that with me before we leave. Look at this, I got the rack here now actually function on this. I have workbench level 3 now. Hang on. In Bitcoin we trust. Yeah, so this one has basically now workbench level 3 with the tanning rack, and the tanning rack, dude. I needed 20 of the ladder straps, and this is what we came for. I'm gonna take. Yeah, I leave one here. I take one for each. One for you, one for me. I take to the realm, to the other server. That's my shit here. And I'm probably gonna build it over there as well. But yeah, this down there is turning into a proper storage room underneath the house. The Forest Viking themed game. Is this like the Forest Viking themed type of game? Yeah, I would say it. That's similar. It's similar to the Forest. I would say so. That's actually a very good comparison, bro. To the Forest, I think that's very close. I'm gonna bring some meat as well, I suppose. But not much. Do your own hunting over there on the other server. The honey is very good. Seed here. I still haven't figured out how to plant the seeds. We need to figure out how to plant the seeds. Let's see something here. Carrot seeds. I'm gonna Google this. And I'm gonna sync dixper so you guys can have some fun here. Valheim. Go. Carrot seeds. Let's cheat. Carrot. Planting. Carrot seeds. Planting the carrot seeds in Valheim. How to plant Valheim seeds. PC Gamer. There we go. How to plant the Valheim seeds. Need some help with Valheim? Yes, I agree. Go away. You need a forge. Why do I need a forge? What? Vegetable patch. I'm here to teach you. Okay. Carrot seeds found on the ground in the Black Forest. Beech seeds dropped by beech trees in the meadows. Oh, we got loads of those. Turnip seeds. Harvest turnip flowers found in the swamp. How to use ancient seeds. You might have also found ancient seeds. These are the type of seeds that you'll want to plant in soil, even though they look the part with their green leaves. Ancient seeds are dropped by Grey Dwarf. Okay. How to plant seeds. Right. You need a cultivator tool, and the cultivator tool you get once we have a forge. Okay. There we go. Now we know. Now we know. Forge. Dixper is linked, guys, everybody. Dixper is ready to go. And Forge would be... a forge. Melter. Charcoal. There is no forge. Must be this one. Okay. Yeah, for this we need these swordling cores, and the swordling cores, they are super rare. Okay. Because I've been looking for them. I think, where did I found these? In the dungeons we found them. Yeah, for those seeds, bro. We haven't googled anything else, if we're honest, so far. We figured out everything ourselves, but the seeds, because I was wondering, we have a terrain tool, right? And it's I was just wondering if I missed something here. But apparently not. I even started setting up the garden the other day, you see? And then I couldn't figure out what to do with the seeds. Okay, let's switch servers here. Let's see if I can get on our dedicated server. Studio, you would like this. Studio, you have to start playing games with us as well. Know what I mean? I miss playing with you. What is this sandbox mode I'm getting displayed? Weird. New, I don't know what that means. Sandbox mode. No fucking idea. Server IP. Yeah, for that I have to launch the game in window mode so I can change stuff on GeForce Now. If not, I can't. I don't have access to the client on GeForce Now unless I start the game in window mode and then switch tabs, blah blah blah, and add it to the server thingy. I might just do it locally and then see if that migrates over to the client over on GeForce Now. I thought you were going to bed, man. And you're not exposing my server IP to the world. Sorry, man. I put that down again. I hide it next time I log on. Sorry, man. We just changed the port tomorrow. I'm sorry. So now we're back at our realm here. I'm back on the server. Do you see that? That's what we built. This was what we built yesterday as well here. So yeah, we're making progress everywhere, guys. I built this here as well for wood storage and rocks. So this thing is making a bit of progress. We figured out that that workbenches are not part, well, they are part of your base, but you can move them around. So technically they don't have to remain there for your base not to get deleted. Which also means that you can expand and expand and expand on by just putting workbenches wherever you need them. You build what you want and then you remove the workbench if you don't need it anymore. You know what I mean? Boom! Okay, let's see what we're gonna do here today. You guys let me know again how the music is. The music very quiet? You're in bed watching. Okay, bro. Appreciate you watching. I'm just saying, if you gotta work, you know. Did we not have torches here? Yeah, and that didn't... That doesn't really work. That kicking in the skills again there. I'm just walking around showing off. And I had to get a lot of stuff yesterday. I want to build another raft for us, because, but the raft we have to see it. Whoa! Scared me there. I want to build the raft and go up the river because I dropped wood piles. Come on! Come on! This lasts forever, what the heck? And there was a couple of other things I wanted to do today. I got us a lot of flints last night as well, guys. So what I've done here now is I put spare rocks and stuff in here. So I can make wood piles, so there's 45 or 50 there already to make a new pile. What we definitely want right now is we want 2 of those. What do I need for those? Hang on a sec. I already got it there. I've got the antler picker upstairs. That's for deposits, guys. That's for rocks, tin, and all the other shit. Talking to the clan here, or talking to the gang, obviously. The old studio comes in with another 100 mana. Thank you very much. We got loads of, look, we got loads of flints now, guys, for the arrows and everything. And I think spare weapons. So this is just spare crafting shit, basically, we got here. Over here. More wood here, just for the time being. And give me some rocks. Need some. And I'm gonna put the pizza in as well. The oven's ready, I think. Should be by now. Over here we have food. I put some food in there last night, guys. These flowers and shit. There we have trophies and money and valuables, blah blah. This is empty, and there we have clothes and tools in here. So I'm gonna put one of the pickaxes in here, or at the moment I'm not gonna go for rocks, so I'm gonna put both in there. Let's see if we can upgrade them to level 2. And what we need here now is, same as on my other ROM, we need 25 ladder straps, guys, so we can extend our workbench with the tanning station and bring that to level 3. So that's basically our main mission right now, to bring that up to level 3. And in the meantime, we're rested, right? Let me put the pizza in here. In here. Let me put the pizza in there. Hang on. Right. Studio, if you're listening, remember that we already have a rocket. Don't waste your mana, please, bro. Keep it for next week. Just use DOS. Drops another 100 mana. Thank you, thank you. Oh, guys, if you got in late, make sure you get that cheat cache. Don't forget. And I'm gonna set a timer. Right. Let's go. So what we said, ladder straps. This is the map we've discovered so far, guys. This is like nothing. Look at this. So we want a raft today. We want a tanning station today. So overall we need flints. We need ladder straps or ladder scraps. We need 20. Let's see how many we got. We have 19. We're almost there. And then we need another 6 for the raft. Okay, so we need 7 boars at least, because then we're out of stock if we only kill 7. So let's go. Oh, it saw me. Really? What, I'm out of arrows. Yeah, that's great. Haha, grinder. And the game's not in the graphic settings I want. Hang on. Maybe bring some arrows, huh? Say. Grinder. And yeah, look at this. There we go. Much better. There we go. Whoa! I have lag in my end because I dropped that man before you said save it. What? No, I was looking up on the old chat, bro. I saw your mana from before and then I remembered that we are going for another rocket. That was the first mana you dropped before, bro. And when I saw that a few minutes later, I remembered to remind you. You know what I mean? So that was new. Ooh, that was a hit. Nice. Nice. I'm getting good with this, huh? Getting better with the arrow. With the bow, not the arrow. Where did he drop? Where did this drop? €16, I think $18. Very cheap, early access, and seriously, studio for early access, I'm very impressed. Feels very complete. I said that yesterday already, guys. For an early access game, I haven't had any crashes. I don't have any balance issues. Yesterday we had a little bit of lag on the dedicated server, but I forgot to mention that to Ram. Function, I assume, because he's East Coast US and the server is obviously somewhere else. But me as well, the doors were opening a little bit slow at one point. It was like I click a door and it took a couple of seconds to take the command before the door would open or close. So there was a slight delay. But overall, the game itself, very happy, guys, very happy so far. You can tell because I abandoned sleeping for it. On boars. Show yourself. Ah, nice! You updated the server files. That's awesome. I'm having that problem with one of my eyes, guys. Bit of a flashy light here. Like, you know what I had the other day? Weird. And it's not that light. Definitely not. It's not blending me. Probably just tired eyes after yesterday. Mmm, that pizza smells mighty good as well. Where are we? We go and then we go to camp 2. See if we find our stuff there. Some more boars. But yeah, we have camps everywhere now already on this server. That's kind of cool. Maybe we should create a channel on our Discord, Rum and Function, or everybody else as well. So we can. What it does not do is it doesn't share your map markers with your friends. If I click this down here on the right. If I click this down here on the right, it does share my location with the other players, but what I have over here, my like small shelter, 50 rock pile, all these markers, it doesn't share with your teammates basically, or your friends. So maybe we should have a channel where we can share our markers or our maps a little bit. And in general, whatever about the game. Gotta get the pizza, so let's go to the camp here and worry about the fruit later. There's loads of fruit bushes here, loads of those. That's why I marked it on the map. There's loads of food here to be found. And Ram probably hasn't seen that camp yet, so if you're still there, Ram, if you haven't fallen asleep yet, this one is another one I built last night. I've been building so many camps. Down there, the sign was put up by Ram, put that sign up. Down there is, wow, loads of bushes, loads of fruit. We have a beehive in here as well. Nice. Loads of honey. So yeah, this is like a food camp. If you ever need anything, I'll let you know where it is. So when you're online and I'm here, that's what I did with Function yesterday. When you find something, just tell your teammates at that moment they can open the map and place the marker on your location. I'll be right back. Hey, pizza time! An optical migraine. Yeah, I had that last time already, guys, as well, where I had the left eye. It was like this flashing lights in front of it. It's just tired or whatever. The eyes are exhausted or whatever. It's okay, it's not as bad as last time. And I can definitely play and stream. Just weird. And I've been resting my eyes for a week now. I haven't put any contact lenses in or whatever. So, I don't know. I'm trading, yes. Low poly games maybe as well. That might be something as well. Though it's not as bad though, I have to say. I think it's just like been doing too many hours in the last couple of days and just like, you know, too much in front of the computer or whatever. Barbecue sauce, not bad. See what we have in here. So we should have stuff in here. Yeah, there's trophies and wood in here as well, guys. I have some stuff to cook here as well. More trophies in here. The leather we need, we said. What I did only got. What I only got 2 leather straps for killing these boars. Wait, what? We should have gotten more leather straps from them. Oh, leather scraps. Sorry. Ah, that's weird. It's weird. I'm gonna leave these mushrooms here. I hate fucking mushrooms. It's very weird, actually. And I got seeds here now as well. Seeds, obviously, we don't need. I don't need them on me right now. It's weird. Do some cooking here. It's worse than you think, cause your brain, your brainer and your eyes, your brain and your eyes are constantly trying to upscale what you're seeing. Very interesting. Damn it, Brina, get out of here. I didn't consider that. So how does that work for people who play hours and hours and hours of Minecraft? Must be a killer. There's more seeds in here. Where are we getting all these seeds from at the moment? Look at this. It's actually quite bad, actually, right now. Is there Sabrina? Yo, what's happening with my fire here? What? There is no water or anything? I had that yesterday and I was wondering if the chimney clogs up after a while. If you have to put on a new chimney or whatever. Because yesterday in a place, the fire was going out as well a couple of times. It wasn't rain, it wasn't I don't know what. But this shouldn't be the case here. Let's see, let's put this further away, maybe that helps. But it's not working hard on stuff like Death Valley. With these sprites, yeah, I don't know. I don't know, guys. I have no idea. I don't know about these things. I just know I'm gonna burn my food again if I don't pay attention. Almost burnt the pizza there. How much of a difference 2 minutes makes, right? When the alarm went off, I stayed 2 minutes longer. Another 2 minutes it would have been brown, like really brown. My brain, that's assuming I have one, bro. That's a very strong assumption. You know what I mean? You see, I was taking damage there. It's getting better now. I think it was just... Yeah, I think the eyes are just tired. That's okay. So that's enough food in there, let's say. For anybody stopping by, get something, it's right in there. I got leather pants level 2 now as well. Just saying. Meh. There we go. I'm gonna leave the trophies here. And where we go from here? I still need boars. I need loads of boars. Should we go east? East is undiscovered. If we go east, there's Functions Place down there in the south as well. But Functions Place is in a very bad spot. 3 layers of meat. What? It must have been nice, man. How is that disgusting? That must have been nice. Pizza is alrightish. Like I said, 2 minutes less would have been perfect. So where are we going from here? Should we go east? Let's go east. I put torches down everywhere, so when you roam the lands, you see the camps. If the torches are on, obviously. If there was enough resin in there, keep them on. What? Where is he? Where? Ah, another. What? Ow. No, 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 leave me alone. I don't want to die. I didn't see that ledge. Come here. I just saw we're falling down a cliff. It's not nice at night, huh? What the heck? Where are we? I'm gonna fall down somewhere because I can't see shit. Know what I mean? No, no, no. Stay up there. there. Five layers of meat, that's awesome. What's going on here? I really can't see shit, guys. I don't see anything. Ah, that's a lot. And a little pigs that are small lettuce. Nice. Pickle, you mean? Nice. Okay, that's the river again. Getting better now. Why that is. Oh fuck. Fuck. Dude almost killed me. Where is he now? What? Yo, fuck off. What? Check this out, guys. Egg with 1 or 2 stripes of streaky bacon, priceless. Mmm. Mmm. You see that, dude? We throw a rock? Oh, carrot seeds, nice. I don't want to stick around here, I think. What, was that rocks flying around? Fuck! I think we're ready for this. Did you see that, dude? Wow, he was huge. These movies take forever to download. I wouldn't download movies, man. That's highly illegal, like, you know? Coming to town to use the, oh yeah, of course, man. I'm an outlaw. Yo, there is one. Here. I wait for Function to come and then he's gonna take that thing on. Autos are the bestest. Really? Yeah. I'm terrible. I'm the terrible eater today. Oh. Yeah, guys, this is not really working for my eyes today. I don't know, but this one is flickering, which is basically the other one. I don't know. Might just have to call this a short stream today, and it's irritating. And give my eyes some rest today. But yeah, I have this flickering again up there. Maybe it's a lack of vitamins or something else. Iron. But yeah, it's getting quite irritating. I don't know what it is. Sucks. I don't want to rest. Woo! Woo! No! Wow, was that lucky or was that lucky? Ooh. But yeah, ice. We only got 2, right? I wouldn't worry so much about a finger. But the ice, if they need rest. How the heck did I get down here? How the heck am I gonna get out of here? Oh, isn't that where Function drowned last night or something like something stupid like this? Isn't that where you drown Function? I don't want to stop. A good rest, not switching to porn? What do you mean, no porn? And there is no switching to porn. It's running already. Porn, you're funny. We don't do porn. We're grown-ups. We're too old for porn. Prawn. Is the lock there? I didn't see the lock, man. I was funny, guys. Function. We were on the top of a mountain last night, and Like that cliff. It's somewhere there, definitely. I didn't check for the lock right now function. But that cliff was there. And we were chopping woods on top of the mountain like wood. And function dropped the tree and it literally fell down the hill. And it created this, like, I don't know, 50 meters down, 60 meters down. It fell perfectly to create a bridge between two ridges. It just fell right on there and then bam, and created a bridge for us over the water. That was so cool. That was really so cool. I mean, I have enough to craft this bench at least before we do anything else, like, you know. Good rest. I don't know. I don't feel like resting. I'm thinking it's gonna go away in a few minutes. You know what I'm gonna do before I do anything like that? I got some eye drops. And eye relaxing. So let me finish my pizza, try these eye drops, and then we see. Also, I'm a mod already here. The last days multiple times. If you have sex 2 times a week, you increase your life by 5% or something like that. Yeah, that's just something Merkel is saying at the moment, so people stay at home. That's just the government telling you that, so people stay home instead of going out. So is that so wait, 5% every week. So what if I have? Oh, I'm good then. I'm good. I never need sex again then. You guys are terrible. Like, we go from bad eye to wanking. Amazing. Well, when did we cross over from resting my eyes to having a wank? Sorry guys, if you keep flopping, it's okay, don't worry about it. You know what? Well, it was just a lack of nutrition maybe. You know what I mean? It's been a crazy stupid day yesterday. What do you mean function's bad? Function doesn't have a bad. Function, why is this your bad? Okay. One king is right next to Peking, to Beijing. One jing is right next to Beijing. You guys are so funny. Seriously, there's some stuff behind there again. And this is always the same fucking. Oh, there we go. Now I need to rest again, that's awesome. I took all this off. I guess that's enough food here, huh? I'm gonna take half to the main camp. That's definitely enough. I bring the seeds down. Maybe we're gonna gardening here. That's why I bring some seeds down to the main camp. Or to the base. And I'm gonna bring these fucking flowers. Nobody was beautiful thistle. What are we doing with all these flowers? They have no use yet in game, do they? I don't think they have any use for these yet. And these are beech seeds. Beech seeds we can use again to plant trees, I believe. So that's kind of cool. And here we have some trophies. Should we bring the trophies? Guys, should I bring the trophies back to the camp base? Or do we need them here? Because until here, I yet haven't found another boss yet. This is home to the martial arts school of the clenched fist. Terrible, terrible, you guys. Terrible. Okay. One more soft drink and we go. It's actually a bit better now, guys. This might have seriously been just a lack of nutrition or something. Guys, you're so dirty. You know, Studio Girl comes in and goes like, what the heck, these guys again? You have to give it to Studio Girl. She's a strong girl, because if not, she wouldn't put up with you lot. Not on Discord. And, yeah. Bitcoin's still coming down a bit. Okay. Right, this is a bit better now, guys. Actually, if I think I'm good now. Weird. I'm sorry for that. I'm really sorry for that, but yeah, it was weird. I couldn't see shit a minute ago. Five knuckle shuffle. So what we doing here? We're going to. You want to see functions, place, guys? Because I have to go back to home. I have to go back up here. I had a raft there yesterday at functions place. The raft was found. I can run this. I can run this in like 3 minutes from here to my camp or to our home base up there. It doesn't take long, guys. Couple of minutes. I was gonna take the raft down to pick up function to cross the ocean here. We saw land on the other side. Guys, after 20 minutes, I was almost about to jump off the fucking raft because it wasn't moving. If you don't catch the right wind, you're pretty much fucked. And I think you have to go by the map here. You see this moving here? So basically, now I could take the raft down there, but probably would have a hell of a time taking it up the coast again. It was terrible. I walked faster than the raft. Goody girl. Well, she's a strong girl. She'd tell you to fuck off if you upset her, so that's okay. Right, I'm gonna show you functions plates. Let's see if we can loot some stuff there. Let's go looting. Hopefully that player is not online, so we don't have to fight him. And yeah, let's do some looting here. Steal his shit. Eventually the whole server is gonna gang up against me because I'm gonna keep stealing people's shit. I'm coming, Function. Function's gonna log in now and wait with his bow on top of his base there, and he's gonna fuck me up. Yeah, that's a lot better now. Oh my god, I don't know what happened to my eyes a minute ago. Oh, boars. There we go. I need these. Oh, many boars. Well, let me refresh my stamina here. Yo, where the heck did you just come from? Come here. Yeah, like I said, they don't really like Function having his base around here. They're probably not gonna like me visiting now much either. But what can you do? There we go, that's Function's place. Hello? Hello? Come on and play with me, I'm here. Come here. Yo, Patty's dropping the host again, appreciate it. Hide some poison food. In Miscreated you could do that. You can poison, like if he has a food container, water container in there. And look at this, we've been piling up the building materials. Because we thought maybe with the raft we can take it down the coast to the base. Like I said, the raft wasn't really moving. And now if I look at this, yeah, this is still good. Okay, this is still good because it has roof. Rocks here. 100, 200, 300 wood. You know what I mean? Hello Function, how are you today? And here it is. Seek camp with Function 5 if you wish to stay alive. Hello! Hello! That's not worth it. There's shields in there as well. Food in there. I showed you upstairs. This place is actually cool. We were fighting over it for a while yesterday. They kept coming back for more. And Function and I were fighting for a while. You know what? I'm gonna put the drops in anyway, guys. Just to relax the eyes a little bit, but I'm feeling a lot better. Again, sorry for that. Give me a sec. Right, guys, I'm back. Wait, Ember? Function. Look up there, pink elephant. It's working, he didn't see it. Be quiet, guys. Just Ember. Can I take some wood back to the main camp? That'd be great as well, because we have a lot here. Yeah, he's not there. He didn't see it. Okay, I take this pile. That puts me at 222 kilos or 222 units of whatever. Yeah, that's enough. Let's go. Whoa! Yeah, that was a pre-built structure. It's like a well, broken down tower, I suppose. Now what happened was there was a couple of the shamans, the gray guys, and everything. I think it was meant to be like a looting, a treasure location or whatever. And then we killed them, or Function killed them initially, and decided to keep it. So they kept coming. They kept coming at us. I assume they have a spawn back here somewhere. They kept coming at us and coming and coming and coming. It's like 3, 4 at a time. I really don't want to go there right now because, yeah. Function was up there with his bow, shooting the shit out of him. And I was down here fighting them. It was fun. It was really fun. Let's go. You see what I mean? That's the speed I'm lagging when I'm using my skill here. That beats any raft by like any boat by a mile. Just have to watch my agility a little bit. Yodu. Meat. Come here. Hello. Enough. Ah, that's what they are. Okay, yeah, we found one of those actually. Not there, but we found one the other day somewhere else, and they killed us dead as well. There was loads of them. There was loads of these things. Whoa. We still have to fix up this place here actually. I got a marker on it. Kind of cool place actually. Let's see if there's anything in there. Empty chest, okay. Probably looted that already. But RAM server is running very nicely, so yeah, thanks again. See if I can pick up some more stuff on the way. 240. We'll probably get some more wood. We got rocks. There we are. Really? For this time. As an archer I have to get a lot better. I have to get into the rolling and everything. You know what I mean? You have to move backwards from your target and shoot and stuff. Damn, they keep seeing me today. Very, very quickly. Or me stomping through the woods like a madman. But I don't need deer, we need the other stripes. So we're good. Let's see if we can get that one. Nope, nope, not like this. Disconnected in the water! What? Speaking about the server, I just got kicked. In the water! Please don't die! No, 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 I don't want to die. Please. Oh, not in the water. That's the worst. Survivor games. Disconnecting while you're in the water. Oh my god. this time we're gonna hide this until I put in the IP. But tomorrow I know it from heart anyway. You know what I mean? Ooh, there comes Matic. Matic coming down heavy. Matic is down to almost 17 cents there, guys. Watch that Fibonacci. 16 cents, 15 cents. Studio. We got in 3. You got in there a little bit too early. I saw this coming. That's why I didn't want to go all in. And there comes Bitcoin as well. Let's go. I don't know. Studio, you there? Yeah, no problem, bro. No worries, no worries. I'll get back in there in a minute. I have to watch this for a second. We're gonna watch this for a sec. A minute here. What time is it? 52. What's on this now? That's too early. Lots of coin down there. It's brutal tonight. What do you mean it's brutal tonight? That's okay, man. It's exactly what we were talking about. I think this is exactly what we should have done. And I think they should be doing more. That's just me. I absolutely think they should be doing a lot more here. If we look at this, there isn't even the volume there yet. Look at this. There's still volume missing. Over here, look at the volume we had over here. And look at the volume we have here, that's nothing. They should really come all the way down here. At this point, bouncing here. Bouncing here would be a higher low, so that'd be alright as well. But it doesn't give you a confirmation of the support down there, or lack of support, or whatever you're looking for. Right back down there. I'm not buying before. I was gonna lift it up 1k. They might bounce here by creating a, but this is so much strong. There's so much power behind this. We might finally actually get this one down here, but I'm happy to buy this as well. We might even be getting this here tonight. We'll see. Or they bounce here. It's all game theory, right? But this seems they pull through. If that's the third wave, you know what I mean? 1, 2, 3. If that's the third wave here, if that's really the third wave, then I can easily go down here to 42.255, 42.2 somewhere. Because that's now they're actually at a level where they don't have to do another 25%. You know what I mean? They do another 10% from here and they're there. This would be an awesome level actually to come down here. Fuck decisions. Loads of coin here, Which only then a liquidation makes sense, right? We talked about that the other day. Liquidating makes only sense, guys, if there is coins on the order book. You can't liquidate into an empty market. Because you're pushing yourself too far down, right? If you have thousands of coins. Now, if there is so many coins on the book and you want to liquidate, then it's worth your liquidation. Because you don't have to push down 15-20%. You push another 5% and you get rid of like 100 million or whatever. So, that might be just making sense here. But for now, we're showing support here. Well, not support, they just bounced here for the moment. And like we said, there's lots of coins to come down here. Let's see what happens. Then again, if I look at it at a smaller proportion, if I look at it at the size of, 46 might be the bounce. If I look at it at 50 steps of $50, it's not that big actually. 175 coins at 46. That's it. And then a lot of coins at 42 obviously. But down here now, I mean for $100 price difference, I should really go $300. I should go above these 2 blocks of 100 if I want to buy there. But this is market support. This is 175. 75 coins too many. There's a buy order sitting there. Now the book just sorted. The book has been reshuffled. Is that the new hour? Yeah. The book has just resorted itself. 20, 40, 50, 50, 100, 100, 102, 128, 344. Yeah, I'm staying where I am. Studio, are you there? I'm gonna ping you. Studio, check your Discord, man. I got locked out the game. We'll go back to it in a minute. I'm gonna put this in there for someone for now. Let me see. Okay, let's get back to that game in a minute. Reading Ram's messages. Yes, yeah, Studio, if you're there, check your message. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, yeah. Nice one, Ram. Server manager and everything. Console with F5. Yeah, I get that. Okay. That's all good. That's all good. Got locked out for Bitcoin again. Time is 1 o'clock. Oof. You know what, guys? Since we got locked out anyway. Answer me on Discord. Only 2 hours, 40 minutes. That sucks. Right. I'll put it in here for now. Let's see if we hit that. Might even go lower. We have to watch that. Let's see if I drowned. One in one server, vanilla one and a hosted one. Damn, man. We barely understood that. I barely understand the game so far, and now we already got almost 2 servers. What? What? Lots of server stuff. I'm up for anything. Why is this saying running in sandbox mode? Let me just choose something else here. Let me just restart. GeForce Now. Why is it telling me sandbox mode? I never had that in my life. Well, not since I got GeForce Now anyway. What's a sandbox mode? This game is a scam anyway, because on that picture right there, the one on the left is a woman. I haven't seen a female character yet, or I would have made it a Channy. Can we have female characters? Damn, did I miss that? Did I miss that? Could I have made a female character and I didn't? Damn. If that's the case, I'm making a new one right now. Yeah, I'm just kidding. Dixper is synced again. That's a good thing, I suppose. Picked up the game. Yo, Rigiganto coming in with the raid. Thank you very much. Second raid today. We're making it onto the raid lists, guys. Hell yeah. I have to add Rigiganto to my host list as well. I don't think he's on there yet. No girls on this server. Scam. We all abandoned Chris. Is like, Chris, you gotta play Division with us. Chris starts playing Division. Everybody goes, yo gang, Gigantos, thanks for the host, man, appreciate it. We all got Chris hyped up for Division. Now Chris is grinding Division, and everybody else left is playing Valheim. Yo gang, I was just saying, appreciate the raid, my friends. Thank you very much. I have to make sure you're on my host list there as well. I don't think you're on there yet. And yeah, I just had to restart the game. And no worries. How are you doing, man? Been having a bit of problems with my eye today. I don't know. Bit of flashing in front of the eyes. Well, I was just saying earlier, it's better now. But if it comes back, I'm probably gonna have to end the stream and just relax today. And give the eyes a good rest. You know what I mean? MVC Dragons is the low polygon games that stress your eyes more. You're tired as fuck. You've been streaming a long time, mate, right? I've seen it. Yeah, when I came on, you were still live, or were you live again? Because early on, when I came on, you were like, I must have fallen asleep with your. This is really pixelic now. I must have fallen asleep with your stream still open or whatever on the laptop, because when I came on, I have to hide that again while I put in the server IP, sorry. When I came on, I was still, what I was saying. Well, either you're back already, or you were still streaming. 3 hours off and you came back, that's crazy, man. What? So that's why that explains everything. When I came back, you were really still there, or you were there again after 3 hours. That's serious, man. Wow. Yeah, I think I must have fallen asleep with your stream last night. Seriously, which is all good. Well, last night it wasn't really last night, because I was playing Valheim until I was playing Valheim until I don't know what time. It was definitely the afternoon my time. And that's when you were still streaming as well. 2, 3, 7. Yeah, I need to add this to my server browser. Wrong port. There we go. Wow. So you basically got shifts going. You're basically doing proper shifts, man. That's impressive. Ten to 4 is 6 hours, 7. Yeah, that's okay. That's 9 hours. That's okay. That's nice. And yeah, break in between. A lot of people don't do that. I think it's very important. Even if you don't wanna. Wow, you see, that's what I meant. That was so lucky that we didn't die here. And I have to change the settings again, I suppose. Let me just do something here. And then we change the stuff, the settings, the quality. Yeah, a lot of streamers don't do that. They stream like 11, 12 hours and they barely eat. They don't drink. They don't take a break in between or whatever. Fortunately, I have dog show, so eventually Blackie's gonna come out and I just have to get up and take a break because her needs. But eating, drinking and all that stuff, staying hydrated, staying healthy, getting rest. It's neglected. And some people also expect streamers to do these extreme hours, which is weird because if somebody streams for a living, you should kind of expect him to do approximately the same hours you do in a real life job, you know, and not like 3 times the hours. And yeah, apparently sometimes people think streamers really have to do these 24-hour streams and all that stuff. It's about healthcare. Yeah, exactly. No, mate, and you have to look after yourself, you know what I mean? It's, you can't just keep on going. That's why I said my eye early on, that was probably either too many hours or a lack of nutrition, you know, whatever. Something caused that eye to go start flickering earlier on. That's no one's fault. That's my fault. Nobody else. You know what I mean? That's why I said if it starts again, and I'm gonna have to end the stream, the eyes come first, you know what I mean? And then after that we can see about doing crazy hours or whatever. But yeah, a lot of streamers don't look enough after their health, I think, or they just, yeah, doing it too much, they're overdoing it. And eventually what happens, you burn out. You know, you get a burnout. Doesn't help. Yo, Tech Chunky in the house as well. How are you doing, Tech? What's up, man? We got a server now, hell yeah. Let's see if we can build that tanning station at this place. Boom! Station we said. Let's see if we have enough straps now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. But that was lagging. What do you say early on? Yo, what do you say, Ram? What should I run? 222. That's not bad. I can do is 222 because it's not PvP. Multi-threaded, 147 megabyte allocated. Yeah, I did it. 2 to 2. But that's alright, because it's not a PvP game, right? So, 2 to 2, I can deal with that. No worries. Tanning station, where are we gonna put that? I didn't consider tanning station for putting it in here. It has to be rather close to this. Let's see if we put it over there, if we can link it. Or if it still links. 15 flint and 20 leather straps. 15 flint. The straps. What did he change? Did he change something? Because I'm getting a bit more lag now than I had before, that's for sure. Just been running against the wall there. Tanning station. Yeah, the tanning station has to be closer to this. Shit. I guess we put it here for now. Yo, we got a tanning station. Nice. There we go. Now you can craft some stuff here. Hell yeah. GG. The another team. Shield level 2, hammer level 2, blah blah blah. I got all that. And we wanted a raft, right? Another raft. Nothing has changed. Yeah, I know. Yo, G4 Phoenix, what's up, man? Yo, Cyber, planning on playing the modded Among Us with us tomorrow. We're trying to get many G4 members together for it. Yeah, Phoenix, I'm definitely gonna check out the server, dude. We just set up a server for my community as well, obviously for Ram put it up. So I've been testing that server yesterday and today. Well, basically all day today because I went to bed in the afternoon and got up in the evening. So let's say all day today instead of yesterday. And I'm definitely gonna play on your server as well. We're gonna put some mods on as well. So let's cross over the communities, man. You guys are welcome to play on our server as well. I'm definitely gonna come over and play on the gang server as well. So yeah, definitely, Phoenix. Yeah, that's what I'm probably gonna do soon as well, Studio. I'm still not 100% happy with my eyesight here, and to be honest, I'm actually a bit tired as well. So we actually got what we wanted here for the moment. I'm gonna put some stuff in here for the guys. But yeah, I still have problems seeing. As you can see, I'm like looking around like this, and I need to work on the weekend as well. I don't wanna come down with something or whatever, like not something, but you know what I mean. Not doing the work thing on the weekend or whatever after we've been home for 2 months. That wouldn't fly. I don't want to do that. So I'm definitely probably gonna call it a night on a few guys. Let me just see if I got everything repaired here. But yeah, sorry, I'm not gonna have a 6 or 8 hour stream today. It's not working. Let's see what we do here. And did we not have a treasure chest? That's not a. Do we have a treasure chest up there? I thought I had put a treasure chest here for the goodies, the good stuff. No, where are the trophies again? Here. Stole that from Function, but don't tell him. Don't tell Function I stole that. Function watching chat going like, what the fuck? And I thought it was a food chest as well. There we go. Put the fucking beats in there. Boom. There we go. I've eaten. I'm gonna rest. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna call it a night in a minute. We drop a raid on someone and see if someone else is playing Valheim or whatever. Among Us? Nah, I don't play Among Us. It's not my game, bro. Among Us is something I would have played maybe 15 or 20 years ago. It's not for me. Some games I just can't do. Nah, I don't. I don't play Among Us. I'm not interested either. It's not the game for me. I like watching it, or I have watched it. I've watched Pygos and some other guys playing it, and they had a lot of fun on it. But yeah, not me. It's not a game for me. I need something like Division, or I need something like survival game, or space MMO, Hitman series, Ghost Recon, but more like Breakpoint and stuff, not the Battle Royale games. What else? Big fan of Watch Dogs. Dying Light, one of my favorite games of all times. Definitely one of my favorite titles from ever. It's definitely Dying Light. And what else? Yeah, no, but the other ones, no. No, it's good. I mean, like, Phoenix, we can't play all the games. If we all would have the same taste in games, then we wouldn't have the variety of games we have. So gratefully, there's always a game somebody is gonna enjoy, and some people are gonna enjoy less or whatever. It's not they're better or worse for me. It's just like some games that I just can't put my head around. Same like Fortnite, for example. I really, really tried with Fortnite. I really tried to get in there and enjoy it with a couple of friends already a year or a year and a half ago. And I enjoyed the shooting part and all that stuff, but I just can't do the building part. And maybe I didn't give it enough time or whatever, or maybe it's just maybe easier on a controller than keyboard or whatever. But after a while, I just lost the interest of spending enough time to pick it up and get any good at it. You know what I mean? And then I left it. No, I don't worry. I don't worry in general. If you know me a little bit, you know I don't worry. Just trying to say how I feel there, actually. We are at 47 now. You see this? They might just be bouncing here for the 47. But I'm still gonna stay in down there. And this one is for someone else. This is for the body. But look at this. They are pumping. They're picking up much faster than Bitcoin is picking up. If anything, you know what I mean? But yeah, guys, my eyes is this one. This one is actually giving me on this side a little bit of a headache. I don't know what's going on. So what we're gonna do is, guys, I'm sorry for that. I'm gonna drop us a raid. Let's see who's online, and I'm just gonna chill tonight, rest my eyes, have an early night, and then I see you all back tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday, right? Tomorrow is well, today is Friday, but tomorrow, 26th. Crypto Friday at the cave, everybody. Let's see tomorrow what's going on in the crypto space, the latest news, who has picked up how many billion of Bitcoin, what else is going on, the Matic network, blah, blah, blah. Flow blockchain, something's happening on the Flow blockchain at the moment as well. And some other stuff. Maybe see if Zeke jumps on the show, joins us with his wisdom, and let's hang out tomorrow, talk some crypto, play some blockchain games. Most likely, I'm going to be playing Gods Unchained if the weekly ranked is on. It's a bit like Magic the Gathering, so anybody interested, come in, check that out. And yeah, some crypto talk. If you have any questions, or if you want to interested in crypto and you want to figure something out, or you have questions or whatever, come in tomorrow, AMA, and we do it. You know. We do it. Let's see who's streaming there. Bobby Plays. Mobile Mayhem Finals. What else is on? Omni Chico. Counter-Strike. Guys, I need more people to raid, really. I have to pick up all the guys from the gang squad and put them on my host list as well, because this is every day the same, and they're all partner already, you know what I mean? I want to raid somebody. Not that we are huge or anything, but I want to rate somebody who's still, like, is on the grind himself, who's still building his channel himself, who's not Trovo 500. Someone who's growing or wants to grow. Naktis what? Oh, I don't speak that language. And randoms is always a question, like, so who are we gonna rate here? Well, I'm just gonna drop it on Chico then, guys. I don't want to drop it on a random without watching them, and yeah, my head hurts. So let's go over there, and then I'll see you all back tomorrow. Probably around 6-7 Central European time. I'm gonna have an early night. I'm gonna move over to my couch right now, so we're good on that side, guys. And yeah, thanks for watching. It's been a short but cool stream. Thanks for all the support. I see you tomorrow. It's your grinder from the cave. Au revoir, buona notte, buona noches, good night, gute Nacht. Hasta luego, cabrones. I see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Good night.